Dayton Audio DAX88 Honest Review. 75 watts per channel that actually drives 8 rooms cleanly. Picture this. You finally get the whole family over for the holidays. Music's supposed to be playing everywhere, and instead, half the rooms are dead silent while the kids are screaming over Bluetooth dropouts in the kitchen. I used to live that nightmare every single gathering. Sound familiar? Tell me in the comments which room always gets left out at your place. I wasted years and thousands on wireless speakers that promised whole home audio but delivered crackly background noise and constant repairing. The fancy branded systems wanted another subscription and still couldn't push real volume past 3 rooms. I was so done settling for good enough sound in half my house while the gear sat there mocking me with blinking lights and app crashes. Then Emily handed me the box for the Dayton Audio DA88, and everything changed overnight. This is a proper 8x8 matrix amplifier. 8 stereo sources, 8 fully independent zones, true simultaneous playback with 0 crosstalk. You get 75 clean watts per channel all day long, or bridged pairs for 180 watts when you need to wake up the patio. Analog RCA, optical, coaxial, built-in Wi-Fi streaming, Ethernet, RS-232, IP control, 12 volts triggers, IR per zone pre-outs, bass and treble and loudness per source, party mode, custom zone naming, presets, web interface, and the Dayton app that actually works flawlessly on both iPhone and Android. It runs cool, it's rack mountable, it's been bulletproof for 2 straight years, and it carries a real 5-year warranty that Dayton actually honors. One box replaced an entire graveyard of half-working gear. Don't take my word for it. Installers on the big forums call the DAX88 the unicorn of distributed audio. Pro features at prosumer money. Restaurants are running them 14 hours a day with 0 hiccups. DIY guys with 6,000 square foot houses say it's still cranking 2 and 3 years later. The trade magazines measured it and said power output actually exceeds rated specs at normal listening levels, distortion stays stupid low, and the bridging mode is legit musical, not just loud. The one pushback I always hear is, yeah, but wiring scares me. Fair, but once the Cat 6 and speaker wire are in the walls, one weekend or one pro visit, you are done for life. No batteries, no mesh nonsense, no firmware update that kills your system on Christmas Eve. Emily thought it would be too complicated. She was controlling every zone from her phone 10 minutes after unboxing. Price shock? When you add up what most people spend chasing Sonos or Hios across 8 rooms, the DAX88 plus speakers is usually cheaper and sounds 10 times better. Now every room in my house has real hi-fi sound whenever I want it. No compromises, no monthly fees, no range anxiety. Just music, TV audio, podcasts, or silence exactly where I want it, exactly how loud I want it. If you're tired of anemic wireless speakers and ready for the system you'll never have to replace, I left the link down below. Full disclosure, it's an affiliate link, but I'd scream about the Dayton Audio DA88 from the rooftops even if it wasn't. Go see the current price. Your future parties are going to sound ridiculous.